closer to each other.
Get him, son. Get him. Get him, Simba.
You guys are lame.
Tiger, stop it. Tiger.
Simba.
You tarred muffins, why'd y'all stop? Get him, Simba, get it. There you go. Rub it all over my blanket.
It's so sharp. So comfortable. I'm so
Get it, Simba,
late.
get it.
I'm gonna sleep. Did you hear him? He said arg. He does. He sounds like an elephant seal.
Uh-huh.
National Lampoon. Watch that show today.
Yeah.
Bless you. Bless you. You're welcome. You should film that.
That's what I'm doing. No.
He's also like the guy with the side of with the sound effects, like the amusement parks and stuff.
No. Simba.
Yeah, you're in timeout, Simba.
Simba, come here. Come here. He's like, no, you weren't hitting my tail.
You are a horrible filmer.
Simba.
Simba put his butt in the camera.
Simba's like, get a butt shot. Look at that butt. Look at that. My milkshake brings out the girl. See?
You're so weird.
Just a little. Stop it. Simba.
Simba, you're cute.
Tiger, go away. Go away, Tiger. You see him up against the wall?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tiger, stop. Tiger. Tiger, stop.
He's fine.
He's licking my blanket and I
He
hate
was
it.
licking his arm.
No, he's licking my blanket.
Ever.
You know what? Don't talk to me.
I won't.
You know what? Get out of my house.
Your house?
You aren't allowed to see your baby child anymore.
Hi, baby child. You feel myself. Yep.
Tiger, you're a butt nugget.
My baby child. You can't see that.
Get him, Simba, get him. You need to go outside? You need to go first?
No.
What the hell did Mom say? Go get her, Simba. Go get her. Go get her, boy. Go get her, Simba. Go.
Daddy? Ah. Get it. Triple.
What's wrong, Mom?